Hi, everybody. This is Sandeep Vasan, Chairman for Marketing Acrex 2025. Acrex is happening in Bangalore from 20 to 22nd of February 2025 at the BIC ground, Bangalore. And this time on the fireside chat session, I have Akhilesh, director from Air Maskin. So my first question is, how important is ventilation from a building point of view?
Ventilation is one of the most key aspects, especially regarding fresh air and exhaust system. Any system will not work perfectly if you don't have proper fresh air and exhaust. And it is one of the most important aspects, let it be for buildings or residences or commercial properties or home, any place, ventilation is a must.
As you rightly said, ventilation is a must. And have you come across any building or let us say existing building where the ventilation is designed very bad and you as a manufacturer has gone and rectified it?
Yeah, we do a lot of hotel projects also and residentials and even commercial spaces where fresh air and exhaust implementation is very important. And we do a lot of multiple filtration options for client where they get pure air into the premises where they're operating into as workspace or residentials or any application.
That's very nice and interesting. So talking on air masking, just throw some light on when it started and then where it is going and what is the future and
Air masking is a around 10-year-old baby. We started off as a traders. We used to import a lot of ventilation fans from Europe and bring it in India and sell it across. Probably 3 years ago, we ventured into manufacturing. So now we are manufacturing ventilation units to air handling units to kitchen exhaust systems and a lot of inline fans of different application with more emphasizing on energy efficient product, which saves power supply and at the end it helps in your low carbon footprint.
yeah. So I think you said a very nice point, low carbon footprint. And as I talk, we are heading towards net zero emission. And one is the product, one is the manufacturing. We're addressing ventilation, you're addressing the air part of it. But as a company, what are those factors you're driving towards, let's say, decarbonization or sustainability?
Okay, now say for example, what double skin units we are making, all are CFC free, HCFC free. So that is the basic. I mean, as a young company, also we have started this initiative. Probably from the time when we started, we are using these all chemicals. So in order to help out with the low carbon footprint. Second, we use a lot of recyclable equipments. Like for example, we use a lot of aluminium, and our 60 to 70% of supplies are with aluminium fans. So again, it's a recyclable material. And coming to small domestic segments and plastic equipments, whatever we are using recyclable and reusable plastics, and all are with low flammable polypropylene.
Okay.
So it's just a small baby step taken by a organization, by a very young organization who has entered into manufacturing.
I think, see, it's very important that one, we focus on business, numbers, and all that, but taking these steps towards sustainable, not many does it. And especially on AHUs and all, they say, chalo, it is just a box, let's take it for granted. We are going to look at cost, rupees per ton, and then we position it. But as a young entrepreneur and just started about 10 years back, I think it's a wonderful steps you have taken driving towards sustainability. So, next question, why Acrex?
We participated in 2018 Acrex at Bangalore, and probably after that, it was unfortunate that in Bangalore Acrex didn't happen, and this year it's happening. So it's very important for us because when we put our first stall in 2018, it gave us a brand mileage, and with that mileage and confidence from clients and customers, we ventured into manufacturing. So now in this Acrex, we really want to put up a good show a lot of energy saving equipments, demand based ventilation, and clients can have multiple options of what as air masking as manufacturers we can provide into the ventilation arena and into air handling unit arena.
So if we look forward, I am excited to visit Air Master install. I would request all of you to please visit. So this year it's happening in Bangalore. As you said, 2018 it happened, then it comes back to Bangalore. So what's special? What's in store this time? What is that surprise element in Acrex this time from Air Maskin?
So for that, you need to visit our stall. So we'll be coming up with a lot of innovative demand-based ventilation units, even from small residential segment to bigger commercial setups. So let's see. Just have a look at. I mean, we welcome you all to come and visit our stall. I hope we'll try our best to showcase what best, innovative solutions, especially in terms to regard to energy efficient and driving towards low carbon emission, and then net zero building will follow if we have low carbon emission.
Thank you so very much for your time, space, and sharing a lot of things. I got to learn a lot of things, and I'm equally excited to visit your stall at AccRex 2025. I would request all of you to visit Air Masking stall at AccRex 2025. See you all on AccRex 2025. Thank you so very much. Thank you.